Let's pack another lunch for my girlfriend.
My girlfriend didn't ask me to make lunch for her this time, but I insisted because I care about her and want her to eat well, and because these videos make me money. Money. I was feeling a Korean barbecue theme today, so I made galbi since it's her favorite cut. It's important to wash it before you do anything with it to get rid of bone fragments and bits of fat and stuff. Let that marinate in the fridge for at least 2 hours before cooking. I'll cut the meat into bite-sized pieces and remove the bone so she has an easier time eating. Plus, I like the bony bits, so I'm claiming them. Some feedback she's given me on past lunches is that she goes into a midday food coma after eating them, so this time I'm trying to keep this lunch lighter with extra veggies, starting with a super easy grunion salad. Just 6 grunions and then 5 ingredients for the dressing. A tablespoon each gochugaru soy sauce, sesame oil, and rice wine vinegar, and then half a tablespoon sugar. Easy peasy. I'll also add some broccoli, steamed for 2 minutes and then seasoned with sesame oil and salt, and kimchi. Can't go wrong with kimchi. For dessert/snack, I'm packing a yogurt topped with figs and honey. She tried her first fig last week and liked them a lot, so if you don't tell her about the wasps, I won't either. Some granola on the side and sealed so it stays crunchy, and that's it for the food. I think this is a pretty balanced meal, but no packed lunch of mine is complete without the traditional doodle. Today's doodle animal is a duck, which has the powers of good fortune. Keep the good luck duck with you and you'll find that throughout the day, small things just happen to go in your favor.